Okay, so this is our science project we did yesterday. We put dissolved borax into boiling water to grow some crystals. So we're gonna see. What do you guys think?
Mine's the
Is there a lot of crystals on there?
Yeah.
Yeah, look, you can see on this one. You can see all those. All the crystals that grow. Yeah, there is around the edges, but yeah. All right.
Sweetie.
So those got quite a few crystals on them. And it looks like some grew around the edge in our container too.
Oh, cool.
Oh, cool.
Did you have a recipe?
So it's just, oh look, here I got some out. Can you guys see that? Some of the crystals that we grew. Here, do you want to? A sheet of crystals, yeah, do you want to touch it? What does that feel like? Isn't that cool? So the borax creates crystals. Remember we learned in the ground, it takes a long time for crystals to grow, but we got these pretty fast.
You can totally try this experiment at home. All you need is some borax, boiling water, container, and colored pipe cleaners for the crystals to attach to.